ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಉಮಾವತಿ. ನಾನು ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗದ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ 3ನೇ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಾದ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಈ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ 4ನೇ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ 2014 ಈ ವಿಷಯ ಕುರಿತು recap of the previous session, objectives, strategies, components, goals of National Mental Health Program of 1982 and the barriers to the implementation of NMHP. All these factors were discussed in previous session. The basic strategy of NMHP was integrate the basic mental health care with general health services. Learning objectives. Students will understand the aim and objectives of mental health policy launched by Government of India. Learning outcomes. Students will appreciate the need of national mental health policy. Content. Primary aims, goals, objectivities, report of IPS Task Force on Mental Health Policy, references, multiple choice questions. National Mental Health Policy 2014. National Mental Health Policy launched by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of India in October 2014. It seeks to remedy the situation by emphasizing universal access to mental health care and protection of all rights of people who are mentally ill. National ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ 2014ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಸಚಿವಾಲಯ ರೂಪಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಇದು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಸಾರ್ವತ್ರಿಕ ಪ್ರವೇಶವನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಅಸ್ವಸ್ಥರಾಗಿರುವವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಒತ್ತು ನೀಡುವುದಾಗಿದೆ. Primary aims of National Mental Health Policies: promotion of mental health, prevention of mental illness, enabling recovery of mental illness, promoting destigmatization on disaggregation and ensuring socio-economic inclusion of persons affected by mental illness by providing accessible, affordable and quality health and social care to all persons through their lifespan within right-based framework. ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಚಾರ, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಅಸ್ವಸ್ಥತೆಯನ್ನು ತಡೆಯುವಿಕೆ, ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಚೇತರಿಕೆಗೆ ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುವುದು, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಅಸ್ವಸ್ಥತೆಯಿಂದ ಪೀಡಿತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಖಾತರಿಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವಿತಾವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗೆಟುಕುವ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಗುಣಪಡಿಸುವಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಆರೈಕೆಯೇ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ 2014ರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಗೋಲ್ಸ್: ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ, exclusion, morbidity, and premature mortality associated with mental health problems across lifespan of the person. To enhance the understanding of mental health in the country. To strengthen the leadership in mental health sector at the national, state, and districts level. Objectivities: to provide universal across the mental health care, to reduce risk and incidence of suicide and attempt suicide, to ensure respect for rights and protection from harm of person with mental health problems, to ensure availability and equitable distribution of skilled human resource for mental health, to reduce stigma associated with mental health problems, to reduce prominence and impact of risk factors associated with mental health problems, to progressively enhance the financial allocation and improve utilization for mental health promotion and care, to identify and address the social, biological, and psychological determinants of mental health problems and provide appropriate interventions, to increase access to and utilization of comprehensive mental health services, including prevention services, treatment and care and support services by persons with mental health problems, to increase access to mental health services for vulnerable groups, including homeless person in remote areas, difficult terrains, educationally, socially, and economically deprived sections. ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಸಾರ್ವತ್ರಿಕ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುವುದು, ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆಯ ಅಪಾಯವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ಗೌರವ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗತ ಹಾನಿಯಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಖಚಿತಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನುರಿತರಿಂದ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಕಳಂಕವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಅಪಾಯಕಾರಿ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಹರಡುವಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಭಾವವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು, ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ಹಂಚಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಆರೈಕೆಗಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸುಧಾರಿಸುವುದು, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ, ಜೈವಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ನಿರ್ಣಯಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವುದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ IPS ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ. IPS Task Force on Mental Health Policy in its reports has pointed out following facts. The National Mental Health Policy has already been notified, whereas the National Mental Health Care Bill is yet to be passed. There are several descriptions between the policy and the bill that need to be addressed. There should be synonym between the policy and the mental health care bill. There are certain area of conflict and contradiction between the policy and the fundamental rights in the constitution, particularly with regard to rights to freedom and right to treatment. Since the person with a disability bill has been passed, new there is need to make the policy concurrent with that. Already 2 years have passed with since the policy was notified in 2014. It is time that key provisions of this policy are implemented, and at the start it should address the lack of technical capacity on most states and districts to implement this approach. References: National Mental Health Policy in India, New Pathway, New Hope, MOHFW, Government of India, 2014. Multiple choice questions. First one, National Mental Health Policy was launched in dash. Options is A 2016, B 2015, C 2014, D 2018. Correct answer is C 2014. Second one, National Mental Health Policy was launched by the Ministry of Dash of Indian Government. Option is A, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, B, Ministry of Ayush, C, Ministry of Finance, D, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Correct answer is A, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Third one, to enhance understanding of dash health in the country is a goal of the National Mental Health Policy 2014. Option is A, physical health, B, public health, C, social health, D, mental health. Correct answer is D, mental health. Fourth one, dash task force on mental health policy reported few facts to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option is A, community based rehabilitation, B, Indian Psychiatric Society, B, C, Psychiatric Rehabilitation Association, D, National Institute of Mental Health. Correct answer is B, Indian Psychiatric Society. Fifth one, the National Mental Health Policy has notified, whereas the dash bill is yet to be passed. Option is A, National Medical Commission Bill, B. Indian Medical Council Bill. C. National Mental Health Care Bill. D. Epidemic Diseases Bill. Correct answer is C. National Mental Health Care Bill.